Have you ever wondered why your data is finishing faster than you expected? And whenever you ask somebody to on hotspot for you, the person will on it the first time, but if you go for the second time, the person will refuse you. Reason being that the person's data finished immediately he gave you access to the hotspot. And all these things are happening because your WhatsApp media are all on automatic download. Even when you are not on your WhatsApp application and somebody send you videos, pictures or voice note, it will store automatically to your phone gallery. And even when you are not online for like 3 days, immediately you on your data, all the whole message that they have been sending to you since that 3 days will start downloading immediately. And all these things are consuming your data, which will make your data to finish quicker than you expected, plus all your underground app that has been running. But today, the good news is that I bring you the solution on how to sort out the WhatsApp media automatic download, which I'm going to show you. But before we start, make sure you share this video by clicking on the share button, like, and let me know what you think on the comment section. Also subscribe and follow me for more updates, guys. So follow my lead and let's go. The first thing you are going to do is to go to your WhatsApp application and click on it. You see this 3 dotted line at the top right corner of your phone. Just click on it. Then you will see new group, new broadcast and all that. Click on setting. You scroll down a little bit and see where they say storage and data. That is the next place you are going to click. Now if you come here, you see manage storage, network usage and all that. Go to when using mobile and click on it. You see 4 columns that are there and you see all of them are ticked on your own. Just untick them and click on OK. You also go to when connected on with. Click on that particular one and you see there are 4 columns there also. Check if they are ticked. If they are not ticked, that is okay, but if they are ticked, you remove those ticks on it and leave the box open and click on OK. Now you click on when roaming. If the columns are open, then you leave it and click OK. And when you do that, it will help to be saving your data, and it will also help you to always store any media storage from your WhatsApp that you want to store, not the automatic one which will be finishing your data without your consent. And also when you finish making your browsing, try to remove all those applications which you have minimized while browsing, because it might be running underground, thereby finishing your data without your consent. So guys, I believe this is helpful, and if you try this, you see that your data that has not been lasting as we want it to be will start lasting longer than it used to be. So guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you share me out by clicking on the share button. Follow me and subscribe to my channels so that you receive another one. See you on the next one, guys. God's will, signing out.